Excuse me. What can I get started for you?
I know you're thinking about me. Wanna be drinking a chai tea. Just give me a minute to steep, then we'll be in perfect harmony. Spicy, sweet, herbaceous, I'd never cause a scandal. Forget your troubles, girl, why don't you take my handle? I know you're thinking about me. Wanna be drinking a chai tea. Just give me a minute to steep, then we'll be in perfect harmony. Just give me a minute to steep, then we'll be in perfect harmony.
Yeah, I'll take...
I forgot. Our special today is actually the ampersand.
The what?
The ampersand. It's got lavender and mint and vanilla and caramel and toffee nut and hazelnut and white chocolate and mocha.
Hey bitch, it's your girl Ampersand. What? You don't know me? Well, clap your hands. I'm bold and bright and super hot. Gonna touch the buds, cause I know you're not. I'm the new girl on the block, say it one time. Adding flavors left and right on the girl's dime. Pick me. Yes, please. Eyes on the prize, gonna take the shot. Rose my way right to the top.
Well,
Thought you were thinking about me. Thought you wanted a chai tea. We were perfect, couldn't you see? When you left, did you think about me?
What if we took something old, made it brand new? Spice it up, girl, I'm talking about you. A twist on a classy abyss, it's fantastic. Dress you up, dress me down, turn it all around. What if we tried a chai ampersand now?
I'll take a chai tea latte with some ampersand syrup in it.
I'm sorry, we're actually out.
Fine. I'll take a black coffee then.
I think I gotta share. I'm really sick of it. Something's in my head.